And welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make avocado oil. Avocado oil is very good for the skin and also for the hair. It provides nourishment and it nourishes the hair, moisturizes the hair, promotes hair growth and fight dandruff. So in today, I'm going to cut my avocado into 2 halves. And after cutting it, I'm going to use a spoon and scrape out the meat, the flesh inside. And as you see me do in this particular video, I'm going to put it in this bag. I'm doing this part because I'm not using it at the moment. I'm just showing you how I preserve it so that it doesn't waste. So after scraping it and put it in a zip bag and put it in the freezer, this stayed for 4 weeks in the freezer, and here I have it. I'm ready to do my oil. And so doing my avocado oil, I bring it out from the freezer and allow it to defrost. And here is my avocado fruit. So I'm going to spread it on a tray. After spreading it very well, I will allow it sit for 6 hours. Not under direct sun. I just kept it one side in the room in an airy area in the house. So that's what I did in this particular tutorial. I'm going to allow it. This is what it looks like after spreading it. So here is it after 6 hours of spreading it. So I'm going to keep turning it over, flipping it over until I get the dryness I want from it. So I'm going to keep doing this. After 6 hours, I come back to turn it. And after 6 hours, this is another 6 hours. Then I spread it again, and here is it. And this, I continued this way, and this took about 3 days to get to the brown color I wanted. And here is our avocado meat. So at this point, you see the oil. When you press it down, you only see the oil on the spoon. So I'm going to do a double boiler and heat it for about 3 minutes. And with my cheesecloth, I'm going to scoop it into my cheesecloth and squeeze it out. With double boiler, you don't stress much pressing it. So squeezing it, you see, just simple way. Just squeeze it, not too much, your oil will come out. And that's what I'm doing at this point. So with that, also, if you're not double boiling it, it's hard. You have to apply a little pressure on it. That's if you're not double boiling it. That's what I'm doing at this point. This is without double boiling it. You see how I'm squeezing it? You have to put pressure in it. So guys, after squeezing it out, my avocado oil is ready. And here is the oil. Guys, this is so simple to make. It's just patience you need to do this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, drop a comment. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.